What's up, everyone? It's been a while since we've done our tips and tricks Thursday, and so I wanted to kind of get back on that kind of plan. So today I was going to do a tips and tricks Thursday for the round kick that we do in Muay Thai, we do in JKD, we also do in TFC Jiu-Jitsu, karate. So let's talk about the round kick and also what the roundhouse kick is and how we can fire these into punching bags or into targets. The round kick, for general purposes, is kind of like hitting this with a baseball bat. So I'm just picking my leg up and I'm hitting with the whole part of my foot. It could be the top of the foot all the way to the bottom of the knee. Anywhere in there is fine for the round kick. So if you train more of a Muay Thai, you could be kicking with your shin. If you're doing more of a karate or taekwondo, you could be using the top of your foot. Either one of those is fine. That's the round kick. And we have two types of round kicks. We can do a whipping style round kick, aka like Muay Thai, or we can do a snapping style round kick, like in karate or taekwondo. And the difference simply is the way the kick hits the target. I think they both have merit. They both have a good and bad place. Round kicking, like with the snapping style, can, crack ribs and can do some quick light damage. And then the Muay Thai whipping type kicks can cause a lot of punishment on the legs and maybe, and crack a rib or whatever. So they both have a time and a place. It's just going to be a matter of your fighting style and maybe what your opponent's doing. So again, snapping style, just picking it up and throwing it into the target. Notice I pick up my leg like in karate, chamber it, and then fire the kick. So just boom. The Muay Thai style, I'm a little bit closer. Usually I would say punching range. And so then I'm pushing off of that target. More shin, more everything. Talking about the roundhouse kick now. Now I think of, like I said, the round kick like a baseball bat hitting this. Now think of it more like a hammer. So in the roundhouse kick, I'm gonna kick it the same as I do the round kick, but I'm hitting with the ball of my foot to hit a specific target. I don't really do this on people. This is more for like breaking boards and stuff. And so I can be here and then just pick that target. If you did it on a person, maybe the solar plexus or something, just bam, right there in that solar spot. Or breaking a board, like I said. Or, pick someone's thigh or something like that. So that's the difference of the round kick versus the roundhouse kick. And then that's also the difference of the snapping style versus the whipping style. Well, cool. End of the video. You know what we want you guys to do? Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that bell icon. Awesome. You guys stay safe. Tips and Tricks Thursday. This is Coach JD, and I'm out.